What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of amazing tools you can try on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 5 Gravistar Mercury M1 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. Introducing the Gravistar Mercury M1 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse, a cutting-edge device meticulously crafted to meet the demands of discerning gamers. With its ergonomic design, versatile connectivity options, hyper-precision sensor, customizable RGB lighting, and ultimate customization control, the M1 Pro redefines gaming excellence. Designed with precision and comfort in mind, the M1 Pro boasts an ergonomic design that cradles your hand, ensuring natural and precise movements. Enhanced tactile button feedback adds to the overall satisfaction and accuracy of every click, making it a true extension of your gaming intent. Tour Speed Dominance. Stay connected and stay unbeatable with Tour Speed wireless technology. The M1 Pro offers versatile connection options, including ultra-fast 2.4G, agile Bluetooth, and steadfast wired connections. Coupled with prolonged battery life, this mouse ensures you're always ready to dominate the gaming arena. Hyper-precision sensor. Number for QuidEye 113P telescope. Embark on a journey of discovery with QuidEye 113P, a telescope that promises to be more than just a tool, it's your companion through the mysteries of the universe. From distant galaxies to intricate details of nature, QuidEye 113P offers unparalleled magnification, stability, and boundless exploration. Stabilization for varied scenarios. With its powerful stabilization feature, QuidEye 113P is your go-to tool for a range of scenarios. Whether you're observing wildlife, landscapes, or astronomical phenomena, this telescope ensures a stable and clear viewing experience, allowing you to capture every detail with precision. Superior lens quality. Featuring an 11x magnification, QuidEye provides exceptional detail, allowing you to observe distant subjects with clarity. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, landscape photographer, or avid astronomer, QuidEye delivers immersive viewing experiences like never before, enhancements over previous versions. QuidEye 113P builds upon its predecessors by optimizing the optical path, improving image quality, and reducing chromatic aberration. Efforts have been made to enhance user-friendliness, including standardizing size for convenience and refining algorithms for gesture-based control functionalities. Number 3 Cooler Master Hybrid 1 Gaming Chair. When it comes to gaming chairs, the Cooler Master Hybrid 1 stands out as a versatile and high-performance option suitable for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Combining the best of both worlds, the Hybrid 1 boasts a multifunctional design that seamlessly blends the comfort of an office chair with the support of a gaming chair. Elevate your gaming setup or professional studio with its exceptional style that commands attention and enhances your overall experience. Breathable mesh. Crafted from lightweight yet durable muscle flex mesh, the Hybrid 1 ensures optimal airflow, providing a cool and elastic support system that keeps you comfortable throughout the day. Say goodbye to discomfort caused by heat buildup with this innovative design that prioritizes breathability and flexibility. Ergonomic excellence. Say goodbye to bad posture with the Hybrid 1's array of ergonomic features. Adjustable lumbar support, 3D armrests, and a customizable headrest ensure that your body is properly supported during long gaming sessions or work hours, promoting healthier sitting habits and reducing strain. Adaptability at its core. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating content, the Hybrid 1 adapts to your needs with ease. Its easy-to-adjust ergonomic design allows you to recline the chair back from 90 to 180, offering flexibility and comfort in any position. Be it gaming marathons or intense work sessions, the Hybrid 1 has your back. Reliable performance. Built to last, the Hybrid 1 provides stability and comfort with its robust steel frame, Large Casters 3.0, and high-density cold molded foam. Rest assured that this chair can handle whatever you throw at it, offering a stable and comfortable seating experience every time. The Cooler Master Hybrid 1 gaming chair redefines what it means to sit in style and comfort. Whether you're a dedicated gamer, a professional in need of ergonomic support, or a content creator. Number 2, Insta360X4. In the realm of action cameras, Insta360 has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. With the Insta360X4, they've raised the bar yet again, introducing a powerhouse of features tailored for sports enthusiasts and avid travelers. Immersive 8K 360 video. The era of 8K video is upon us, and the Insta360X4 doesn't disappoint. Capture breathtaking 360 video in stunning 8K resolution, or opt for smooth 5.7K video at 60 fps. With active HDR technology, your shots remain color accurate even in dynamic action scenarios, ensuring every detail is vividly preserved. Simple reframing with AI. Gone are the days of meticulously lining up shots. With the Insta360X4, shoot first and reframe later effortlessly using the AI-powered Insta360 app. Seamlessly adjust perspectives, ensuring every angle is perfectly captured without missing a moment of the action. Invisible selfie stick effect. Elevate your content with the signature third-person Insta360 shot, creating immersive, obstruction-free 360 video. It's like having your own film crew or a drone capturing your adventures from every angle, giving your viewers a unique perspective they won't forget. For KY dangle action, the versatility of the Insta360X4 extends beyond 360 video. Utilize it as a high-performance 4K action camera capable of recording at an impressive 4000 resolution at 60 fps. Number 1, Arano L005 Bathroom Fan. Upgrade your bathroom with the innovative Arano L005 Bathroom Fan with Bluetooth speaker. This all-in-one solution combines ventilation, lighting, and entertainment to create a truly immersive experience. Operating at 110/160th CFM and a whisper quiet 1.0 sound noise level, the Arano L005 ensures effective air control in rooms up to 160 square ft. Say goodbye to humidity and moisture with this powerful exhaust fan, which helps maintain optimal air quality for a healthier environment. Adjustable LED lighting. Illuminate your bathroom with the bright 1500 lem LED light. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.